How to fix system sound disabled in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you go to the settings of your device and then tap on sound and vibration option over here as you scroll down. Then make sure that you have adjusted your volume for your media, your ringtone and an alarm over here. Then go to Sound Assistant and customize the sound settings where you can adjust the media sound in multiple apps and multiple audio sources if you need. Then just go down and tap on additional settings and then make sure that you have toggled on the required options of playing the sound whenever you want it. Then go back and tap on sound effects and make sure that you have your assign buttons over here. If your headphones are attached to it, then make sure that you have your volume on the highest level so that you can listen to your sound and the system sound is enabled. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.